So I would like to ask you, can you tell us a little bit of brief history of Shinto? Is there any
Shinto,
particular?
again, is the natural spirituality. So consequently, there is no founder. That's when we're looking at religion and natural spirituality, we're saying what is the difference? One prime difference is that religion, which originated at a different time in human history, is kind of almost like a different side of the brain. Religion always has a founder. And so we can say, in a sense, that religion is the teaching of man. Shinto, there is no founder. As long as there have been people sitting around a fire and thinking deeply about life-giving forces and the nature of life, there's been Shinto. So we kind of say the history is really, really lost in prehistory. You know, for instance, our parent shrine has the 2020-year unbroken history. But what happened 2020 years ago was the Goshintai, the symbol of the kami, main kami, Saruraiko kami-sama, was moved from the top of the local mountain, Yurokatake, to its current location at the foot of the mountain. That location was picked by oracle by Yamato Hime no Mikoto, the same person who picked the location of Ise Jingu, and in the same time frame. So Ise Kotai Jingu, the apex of Japan's 100,000 shrines, and Tsubaki Okami Hashiro, both have a similar age, and both locations were picked by the same person, Amatsukami, Kurichikami. That mountain, Yurokatake, has many iwakura, Neolithic stone formations, things people built 20,000 years ago, worshiping the same kami. So it's really, really, it originated again in a very, very ancient time in human history.
Thank you very much.
But also is very, very modern. So Shinto kind of exists outside of time and space. It's a really different critter. So again, and then nature is coming, and Shinto is kami way, kan nagaro no michi. So that way, again, both the way of understanding nature and our lives within nature, and also a reflection of that understanding. And the cultural, and Shinto, of course, is very cultural, so it's a very cultural reflection of that connection to the movements of nature.